I have mentioned my success here at InMotion Pain Solutions to anyone who will listen. I just would always say, try it before you do surgery. I know I'm not the only chicken that doesn't want to go under the knife and replace joints. My name is Sue, and I'm retired from teaching. I have had a long history with knee problems. One of our sporting things that we like to do is bowl, and I stopped bowling. While walking up and down stairs was one step at a time. Physical activity slowed down, and you just start walking like an old lady. Other doctors that I've gone to, and I went to 3 different ones through that series of 3 decades of trying to get knee relief, they basically said, bone on bone, we'll do the regimen of cortisone shots till you get tired of doing them, and then we'll just do knee replacements. That's it. There was no talk about, hey, you could get better. Let's try something different. Let's just get you on the schedule for shots and bye. It just seemed like they were more interested in doing surgery than exploring other options. When I heard that message from the doctor about, hey, your last resort is having knee surgery, I was feeling pretty depressed about it, feeling old, like I've already lived my best life. Last year, I have a friend who had knee replacement on both knees for the 2nd time. Seeing that pain, and I'm thinking there's got to be an alternative. When we first came in to talk with Dr. Ben, I felt his open answers was a nice relief. Usually when had gone to doctors, there wasn't much visiting. They took the x-rays. I didn't even get to see the x-rays. This is what we're going to do. And that was it. And then out the door you go. Seemed like it was very timed and time pressured. With Ben, he was open to all questions and took his time so that you felt that you understood what the process was and what it was going to be about. Dr. Ben, we talked up front, and he basically said, if I feel like the procedures aren't working for you, I will tell you, and I will refer you on to somebody else that I feel comfortable with. That sold me right away that he wasn't an end-all person. The ego is checked at the door. If I can't help you, I can find somebody else who could. But the confidence that he had that he could help me made me feel very confident to come down. Laser therapy was a new treatment I had never heard before, and I'm so glad I tried. Coming to InMotion Pain Solutions, it did not lay me up one moment. You spend half an hour to 40 minutes in the office, you walk out. I was very excited and positive that, hey, I get to keep my knees and I still get to be mobile. That's pretty amazing. Aftercare, I have not worn my knee brace. That was part of my life every time I went for a walk since December, and this is June. 6 months, no pain. Put the walking sticks away. I bought an electric assist bicycle and bicycling with my husband in the mornings, so there's more activities for us to enjoy. We just came back from a week trip out to Outer Banks, and I was able to walk up and down sand dunes independently. Lots of stairs and steps there, and was able to handle myself just like a regular mature woman. That makes me feel awesome. It gives me hope for the future. That's pretty amazing.